The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is proving to be an intriguing upgrade as a result. The interesting thing about this screen is that it outperforms not just the one on the S23 Ultra but also the future iPhone 15 Ultra that is slated to release in less than 3 weeks. Recently, we learned that Samsung is planning to put the most recent generation of AMOLED on the S24 Ultra. We had no idea much about this screen at the time, but now we have some amazing information that will undoubtedly wow you. As you can see, Apple won this year's contest for the brightest smartphone display, as the iPhone 14 Pro Max has a better screen than the S23 Ultra. For the first time ever, Samsung provided Apple with a display that was superior to that of their own flagship model. Thanks to the S24 Ultra, which not only exceeds the 2000 nits threshold but also hits some incredible numbers, that is thankfully not the case. The S24 Ultra features consistent bezels and can produce a peak brightness of 2200 nits, according to this tipper. 2200 nits is already a significant improvement over the S23 Ultra's 1750 nits. Ice Universe, however, weighs in and claims that the brightness is actually significantly higher. The same poster later claimed that the M13 display Samsung is employing on the S24 Ultra has the capacity to go up to 2800 nits, which is absolutely absurd, but he didn't give a specific number. To be really honest, I doubt they'd go that far because it would be insane, but 2500 nits seems feasible at the present. And if it does, it will set a brand new world record. In addition, it is anticipated that the iPhone 15 Pro Max would maintain the same 2000 nits of brightness as its predecessor. There are not any surprises with the S24 Ultra storage settings either. The phone will be available from Samsung in 3 storage sizes: 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. It is identical to the S23 Ultra. Next, all of the S24 version's batteries appeared at a Korean certification facility that exposes their capacity. The S23 Plus will have a 4900 mAh battery, up from 4700 on its predecessor, while the ordinary S24 will have a 4000 mAh battery, up from 3900 on the S23. The S24 Ultra will have a 5000 mAh battery, the same as the S23 Ultra. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.